Happy Fat Bear Week! Just waiting on the laminator to get moving. So it's Tuesday, but it's an A day, so that's why I'm going to be introducing the news to you on A day, because that's just how it works with our cycle with the craft and the science experiment. But I didn't laminate it yesterday, and I have a student that's going to be gone for a while for some medical reasons, and I have a bunch of work and stuff for her I wanted to laminate and some flashcards, so yes, laminated. Had a little spooky music going. Lunchtime now, it's nachos. I feel like I don't ever have to say if it's a good day or a bad day because I've just been having really good days. The kids are holding it together, and like the behavior management that we do in class really works. We do class dojo, so they get points and they can spend it in the dojo store on Friday, and they really like that, respond well to it. And then I do have students that are on check-in, check-out, and the honeymoon period really hasn't ended for that yet, so that's great. One thing we're doing in math is we're working on taking numbers like 137 and making it into expanded form. So we use these pieces from bridges. So like there's your 100, there's the ones, and the 10s are in there too. And it goes along with our number of the day. And while we can do it here, because we just follow the pattern, when I'm just randomly giving them numbers, we can't do it yet automatically. So they're shutting our Wi-Fi off right now. It's 3:15 end of contract time because they're trying to reset the router. So no Wi-Fi means no printing, no paperwork, really nothing, which means I can get out of here, which is fine. I was gonna get a haircut. There's yoga at 5:15, so maybe I'll get a haircut. Maybe I'll go to yoga. I don't know, but I'll see you guys tomorrow. Happy Wednesday, friends. Hopefully the Wi-Fi is fixed because school without Wi-Fi is a sad place. So typical things today. Let me show you the mess I've got over here. It's the last full week of the unique learning system curriculum for the first unit. And I always start it not on Monday, but on Tuesday. That way I just have an extra day to get it started. So basically we're just in the middle of finishing books, rereading books, doing lessons we've already covered before. CVC books, and then that's like some of the words in it, some of our words and our spelling words, the rhyming, the shapes. We do this all the time. We cover this occasionally, don't do it every day. We do this every day, we do this every day. We skip that one day, so I think we're gonna do that today. Then I can get rid of the sleeve. I think we're gonna do that tomorrow because I have a couple kids going today. And then everything else is empty because we've already covered it. The nice thing about this one is because I do the soft stays, rough roams on everything.
School, rules, listen, safe.
And then my nonverbal student can participate during that portion of the lesson too. News to you for this week: Fat Bear treats, salmon life cycle spinner, cardboard tube brown bear, and we are doing the cucumber pencil cups this week. I have the vegetable dip at home and I just need to get some of the vegetables, which is stuff that one of my paras eats, so she volunteered to bring it in, so we don't have to worry about buying any of that stuff. This is already craft stuff I already have. I have a bin in my closet where I store all my extra cardboard tubes and toilet paper rolls, because when they come up, sometimes I'm like, man, I need like 10 of these toilet paper rolls. How am I going to get 10 of these? So I do stockpile them. This is all just paper in a paper plate, so that's really nice. This, we have chocolate chips. I think I have candy eyes at my house. We have the food markers from something we did last year, so I really just need Oreos. I'm not going to do frosting because we have like a icing pouch from something before that we never opened, so we'll use that. And then I just need vanilla wafers. So cookies and vanilla wafers is a cheap week, and I like both of those, so I'll just use my own money and then take the leftovers home. This corner is a disaster, and I was gonna do the dishes today and we just didn't get around to it. We are done with the laminating pile, and so now it's just in here and it has to be put up when this unit is over, so I'll do that on Monday. I think the unit is starting on Tuesday, but we could make it start Monday if I wanted to. Just depends what I'm feeling like. So hi, it's a little after 4. It's so weird leaving here on time. I'm so used to being stuck here, just getting everything together and worrying about the next day. And I honestly could have left at contract time, which is technically like 3:15, 3:30. But I got talking to the speech pathologist. I don't know if it's just because I've been doing it for so long or have mostly all the same students or just everybody's behaving themselves. But like, I just feel so prepared and ready, and like I don't dread coming here in the morning. And not that that ever was last year, but there were definitely days where I was wishing for a snow day. So we're off to Target to get some things. Happy Thursday, friends. Teach. Fun pants. Clean classroom. Let's get the day started. Pumpkin cold brew adventures is going pretty well. This is the cup I had from yesterday. I'm using a Torani syrup, and I can get the taste like very close, but the color is not obviously pumpkin, but it's the taste what I care about anyways. It's like busy, busy, busy. 3 of our classes were on a field trip, so I sent a para. So I was a para down, so that makes life a little bit more difficult, but we survived. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit because it's some nice pants that I found from Ross that I think I will purchase again if I can find that brand. Here we are at the bank about to go get our cashier's check for our down payment. Tomorrow's the day, guys. I can't believe this. Basically tomorrow, so tomorrow I'll go to school and I'll leave the minute the kids are gone, and then I'll drive to the title company. Then we're gonna grab Olive Garden for dinner, and then we're gonna go to the new house and just clean with the hopes of doing a little bit of moving on Saturday, but mostly it's just gonna be ripping down a wallpaper fest. So I'm ending this video right here, and I will pick you guys up in a new video tomorrow on closing day. Woo woo!